Well, how about that? I just recorded for about 10 minutes and I wasn't recording at all because I think I hit the little red button when I was trying to put it in here. This is a high pressure pump, and basically in this tractor I think it's a gravity flow, so you don't have a low pressure fuel filter pushing fuel from the tank to here. But once the fuel hits here, this fuel high pressure pump punches it up to the engine under high pressure, and there it goes to your fuel injectors, which I can't even see on here right now. Come on, injectors. There, that's one of them. You can see the piping going into it. And then if you move over a bit, I think you can get a look at the other injector. And there is a third one as well, but it's hidden up under part of a fuel tank, it looks like. Anyhow, what we have to do is change the little fuel filter, and I'll tell you about that once I get this one off.